guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to declare a variable properly and how to utilize or how to use this explicit data type conversions in some applications. Okay, firstly go to these questions. Okay, before that please open your Visual Studio. Okay, and look at these questions. We have a question that write a C++ program that read a floating point number from the user, and the program then separates the number into its integral part and the fractional part. For instance, okay, we have this 59.68. okay, for instance, the user key in 59.68, then somehow this C++ will help us to process to help us to separate this integral part becomes this 59 and this fractional part 69 here. It will help us to split it. Okay, we have to give some commands. Okay, how to split this from this floating point into the integral part and fractional part. Okay, remember the 4 steps, okay, that I mentioned over and over again how to write a good program. If you have such a questions, okay, first step first, you have to understand the problems and requirement first. Okay, it means that you have these questions, you have this value 59.68, you have to break down into integral part and fractional part. Integral part is 59 and fractional part is 68. Okay, do you remember in the chapter 2 we have talked about this data type conversions? Okay, we have this floating number 59.68. Basically, you can just convert this floating data type into the integer data type first, so that if you omit the number value behind this decimal place, therefore it will provide you this integral part. Okay, you convert this data type into the integer data type, so it will produce you this 59. Once you have this integral part, then next step you just need to use this value minus your integral part, then you will get this fractional part. This is logical thinking. Okay, you use this value minus the integral part, you will get this 68 and the fractional part. Okay, so this is your requirement. This is how you solve a problem. You understand the problem first, come up with the requirements, and next step, plan your works. Okay, so in this case I will use this pseudocode to plan my works. Firstly, to get the input from the user in double or float data type, convert the data type for this user input into the integer to get the integral part, and finally minus this value to with this integral part, you will get this fractional part. So step by step, when you have this pseudocode, you have planning your works. Now come to this writing the programs. Using namespace standard. Okay, so see out. So I remove all this command first. So ask the user to key in a please key in a floating point number. So user to key in a, for instance, you create a variable known as a value to store this floating point. So you have to declare this variable float value. Okay, so what is the next step in your pseudocode? So you have to perform the integral part, convert this floating data type into this integer data type. So let's create a variables that to store this integral part first. So remember what is the command to convert explicitly this data type. You can use this bracket, your desired data type that you want to convert to, and your variable name. Alright, so you have to declare your variable. Can you see this underlined? So here to show you there's some error for this variables. So you can just point to that. It will show that it's undefined. So you have to define your variable. So this is the integer because you would like to store this value into the integer data type. So integral. Okay. So next, pseudocode step number 3. You have to create another variable to store this fractional part. We know it as a fractional equal to this value minus integral, right? So this fractional is storing this floating data type. So declare input data type fractional. Okay, so no errors, no underlines. Okay, check integral equal to integer value. Okay, so now finally display your result. Integral part equal to this integral. So no semicolon, no semicolon, because you want to display the content for this variable. And its fractional part is equal to fractional. Okay, and let's see the programs. Okay, check. Okay, step 3. Okay, so if everything okay, run the program, run the programs. Okay, here is the output. Please key in the floating point number 59.68. Enter. Yes. So it will divide this this floating point number into the integral part and also the fractional part. Okay. So that's all for this video. So I will see you in the next practical class.